What actually takes longer when creating content? Coming up with ideas, or turning them into visuals, or worse, switching between 3 to 4 tools just to finish one post? Most tools still do the same thing. They made you design first instead of create. Tools like Canva start with template. Some AI tools start with prompts. But either ways, you literally spend time designing them instead of creating. But this tool flips everything around. Just a raw content, and in one click, it turns into a finished design. I'm quick, build and brand with quick, and I test AI tools that help content creators work smarter. So in this video, we are going to test something bold. Can AI really turn raw idea into a finished design? Let's find out. So let's say I want to create a carousel about AI trends. Normally, I will open a Canva, pick a template, and adjust layout. But here is what I will do instead. I will quickly come here. This is carousel, and I will select the template. What I will do quickly, I'm going to drop a simple raw idea and watch the magic. So here you just generate design. So in no time, the design is ready. Watch this. In one click, and it builds everything, the result. This is absolutely beautiful. So it's going to generate everything for you, just like you're seeing here. Here is the final result. Everything generated just in one click. This is what most creators struggle with, turning ideas into visual, and this removes that completely. If you want a link to explore more, the links are in the description of this video. Go try it yourself. Look at every slide, well designed, with the head, proper heading, and the subheading, and the background that fits the idea. You don't have to struggle to overthink anything, guys. So if you're okay and comfortable with all your editing, you go ahead and click share and export. Once you click this export, it will be, look at all the slides, all the pages. If you want to export individual pages, you select the pages. And if you want to export all your carousels, you select, you export all. This is the wow moment. Let's take this further. What if I have a long PDF, or what if you have a long PDF and we want to write like a report or an ebook or a research document? What happens? Upload a PDF on health content. I'm going to paste a simple prompt that I have in my notepad, and this is simply turn this document into a visual presentation for beginners. Extract key ideas, simplify complex sections, create clear slides with headings and bullet points, make it engaging and easy to understand. Very simple. So guys, let's go ahead and hit generate. Watch the results. Instead of a wall of text, you now have a structured slide with headings, visuals, and summarized slides. This is powerful for creators, educators, and marketers. You can see how beautiful it is. Very unique and clean. No time wasted, no brainstorming on ideas on how to place them. You have everything perfectly fitted. You can close this bar to have the perfect view of this. Guys, this is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. So guys, go ahead and use the link in the description of this video and try it yourself. So if you want to save this and export it, simply click the share button. You see export, and the same method you exported. If you want to select the pages, okay, you can export all if you want, and then boom, it is in your system. So guys, go ahead and try this. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out also. Now you might be thinking, can I edit this? Yes, that is very important, because you can literally change fonts, colors, and layouts. Then, so you're not losing control, but rather you are just saving time. Now watch this. You can literally change your font type, your font family. You click here to select all of it, and you can literally select your font size. You can make it bold and all of that. So you are not missing out anything, but you are saving your time. So go ahead and try this. Let me know in the comment section how this feels like. You can change anything. So because many people used to be scared of AI generated flyers, images, and template, this is editable, everything 100%. Let's say you want to design your flyer. You already have your assets here. Your assets are available. Whatever you want to design, you can select from here, or you can come here where you have AI generated images, template images. You can pick any of these and start working with it depending on what you want to design. You can literally bring your own objects. You can even bring your own asset into the platform and start designing. Now let me show you a typical example of one design that I made using this platform. This particular design here was completely done just by a simple idea, and it doesn't even look like it's AI generated, but this is done on this Veeso AI platform. So guys, go ahead and check the link in the description, and literally you can edit this, bring in your picture, your own picture, and replace them with this, okay? Just by a simple prompt. Beautiful. You can literally turn anything, like the shapes. You can move the shapes, adjust the angle, and change the color of the shapes, and you can even add transparency to it and adjust the font. And this understands design principles because it obeys the design principle, hierarchy, and focus, what the viewer should be looking out for. So this is one of the designs that I made using this platform, and look at it. It gives you a detailed illustration of what the design is about, and you can make corrections from here by adding further ideas. So guys, go ahead and try Veeso AI. It is here. It's a game changer. This isn't just another design tool. It's a shift, and all your designs can be found here. So you focus on content first, and the design builds itself around your ideas. Guys, this is mind-blowing. So if you're a creator, a marketer, or a business owner, this can save you hours every week. Check the link in the description and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. So if you've been looking for an AI tool, I highly recommend you try out Veeso AI, all-in-one AI design platform. This is actually a trait to graphic designers. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to use the link in the comment section of this video to access Veeso AI. See you in the next one.